Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at the USO. We got some bulls on board last couple days. Made a little bit of a low here. Filled the gap, 618. I would love to have seen this 911 gap filled, but just didn't make it. Some support here around 9 bucks, 888 as well. But we're getting a bounce off an oversold condition. How high can this go? We'll know in the next couple days. I'm thinking it's going to fill this gap, but let's see what kind of a pattern develops. I'd like to see either a bullish inside bar or we're looking for this thing just reverse and come right back in. So today's a pivotal day on this one. If we get some nice follow through and it stays up here, then I'm thinking it will possibly go a little bit higher, get to this gap window, and then fill the gap, of course. But again, we're not doing anything. It's bouncing. Let it go. Weekly. Support from the weekly charts as well, same area, 932. You have this lower pivot right around 9 bucks or so. I wish it would have just one little dip, but we had a nice sell, so you'd expect a little bit of short covering, and that allows the stock to move up. Let's go to the monthly. Monthly, bearish pattern below the MAs. Now we have an inside bar pattern, so let's see how this plays out in the next couple months. We'll reevaluate for a swing trade, and hopefully we could capture something on this one. But let's go back to the daily really quick. Support, but now we're coming back into this area. Let's see if we can close above the 984. We are at 987 at this point. We are 1.86% up. So nice little bounce on USO. You know, I wish, man, I was looking at 9 bucks right in this pivot, possibly the 888, which is the 750 retrace. A lot of these stocks are moving past the 618 and going to the 750 and then bouncing. But you have a couple bulls on board. Someone possibly needs to get this thing up a little bit higher, get some short covering. But anyways, great trade. Like I said, we took it here off the 50 MA and gap fill. We were adding on this breakdown bar as well. Perfect touch. Boom, broke down. We're getting a dead cat bounce, and we'll go from there. But ultimately, I believe this thing, if the markets start to break down and everything starts to move south, I think we're going to 646. So write that number down, 646, somewhere in that area. First, we have to crack through double bottom 767, but if that cracks, we're going to beeline down to that 646 level. So, yeah, I laugh, but sometimes, man, these charts, they tell you what you need to do. Just like this. Look at this. We had this bar, that bar, nice consolidation coming into here, and once it cracked below that line, boom, fell apart. We did have some nice volume yesterday on the reversal. A little bit lighter today. It's not the end of the day. But I want to see this thing keep above this 984 level. I'd love to see it recapture 10, and then I'd be a little more bullish. But again, CNBC, and I think it was RBC saying, oh, time to get into oil, buy, buy, buy. So that's helping the matter out too. And then again, if you short it up in here and you're not covering down in here, that's like a 30% gain. Then you deserve to get smashed on the upside if you're short. This is where you'd be covering too. I covered up a little higher because we hit this 20 MA and I wanted to wait for pattern and then the next setup, and it just broke down. But anyways, we'll get another short or long on this, just a matter of time. All right, everyone. Hopefully that helps some people out there. This is the USO. I'm John at StockBookie.com. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks again for watching. God bless. See you on the charts.